What's up everybody, it's Bulay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my tips and techniques in order to DIY manicure. So these are the things that you need guys. So you need a nibber, a pusher, and a nail cutter with a nail brush. So I'm very sorry guys for flexing my dirty nails. I haven't been cleaning this a month already. So kuha lang mong tubig guys. You can actually, be resourceful. Then after that guys, basa lang ninyo para mahumok yung puti ko. So just repeat it to all nails. Then after that guys, use this side of the pusher. Then start pushing your nails, especially your cuticle. And of course guys, use only one stroke para dili magaras yung kuko. So pag human guys, gamitan ng other parts sa pusher. Then start pushing it in this kind of flow. So ana lang siya guys, layon do it so slow, especially if you're a beginner. So dapat hinahinay lang siya, slowly but surely. Okay, so after that guys, hinahanglan mo siyang i-push pababa para ma-separate good ang cuticle o sa nails. So, ligwat-ligwat lang siya diha guys. So, like that. Pero, of course, you need to be careful as well. So, pag humana guys, so, bason na po siya para mas mahumok good and ready for cutting. Dayon, so, hiram na lang to siya nga flow or technique sa uban pa ni mga nails. So, pag human ato tag sa mga guys, so, imo na pa siyang baso ng tubig para ready for cutting na good siya. So, yes, do it like this. And after that guys, start na mo mag-nibber sa yung cuticle. So, just be careful kay lisod siya siya nga part. So, nga akong technique diri is, I'm just gonna be using the point of the nipper in order to cut my cuticle. So, of course guys, dapat nimo siya ipababag una para ipasok. Oh my god, I'm sorry for the word. So, gamitan lang ang tip sa nipper guys para mo cut sa cuticle. So, of course, be careful, slowly but surely. So, dapat kabalo ka nga asa dapit ang imong cuticle o asa dapit ang imong unod para mas careful and iwas sa mad guys. So, of course, dapat nimo siya i-feel na pakiramdaman naman na siya guys. So, yes. So, dapat siya guys nahait imong nipper para dili magarang-garang ang agi sa imong pinutlan nga cuticle. So, I'm very sorry for flexing my cuticles right now. That is just so, my god, they're shocking. They're so disgusting. Use only the tip of the nipper in order to cut the cuticle para mas safe siya, especially sa mga areas na lisod like sa kilid sa kuko dahil sa punuan sa kuko. Yes. So, especially diri nga part guys, medyo lisod siya basta sa kilid na. So, the technique that I'm using is, ipatakilid na ko ang nipper guys. Dayon pag human is, ang point ragyapon ang akong gamitin in order to cut the cuticles. So, I'm just gonna be doing it the same sa uban nga nails. So, So after cutting all your cuticles guys, you can actually reshape your nails using nail cutter. So kung naapon mo yung mga nail file, you can actually utilize that. Mas better ang nail file guys. So pag humana na guys, you can use bedsol conium or tensure para disinfectant sa mga gipangkat nga cuticles guys. So this is for safety purposes. Well, for me, usaha gali ko magbutang, but yeah, this is necessary. So after that guys, brush lang ninyo siya para mas scattered. Then you can use any top coat guys. You can actually use nail polish, but in today's video I'm actually using only colorless or some top coat. But for you guys, you can actually use some vibrant colors. Well, if you want some tutorials on how you're going to put some nail polish, well, I'm just gonna be doing that if you want that. So well, please sound off below or leave a comment. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something today.